been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off.
Hello and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. Today is a very gloomy Monday and I thought what better day to film a What I Eat in a Day video for you all. To start off with, I'm actually wearing my workout clothes right now because I have set myself a goal every day recently where I need to get up, get into my workout clothes, then after I've had breakfast and let it digest a little bit, I go do a workout so I feel a little bit better in myself. And I've done it for a few days now and I feel 10 times better doing it because I feel like I'm getting up, I'm doing something, I'm not sitting here and just doing nothing, and then it gets like completely the day's gone by the time I actually decide to do a workout or something like that. This way it's a bit better for me and then I build up an appetite for my lunch. So yeah, that is one thing that I'm doing today. I might actually share a little bit of my workout with you. It's nothing too exciting. I mostly do the cross trainer and the bike, and that's about it. But yeah, I'm going to share that with you today as well. And secondly, in today's video, I'm not going to be sharing my calorie intake with you. A lot of What I Eat in a Day videos that I watch don't share their calories because obviously calories are very much based on the person and what they're trying to do, how much they're trying to eat and what they're trying to lose. And I share all that on my Instagram page. So today I thought it'd be nicer to just not share it. So there's certain people that may want to stumble across this video and not know how many calories are in an item of food, but want to know how to make that item of food. As well as there are people that do want to know how many calories and everything else that's in something that I'm eating. So what I do when I make these What I Eat in a Day videos, I post the pictures of the food that I make on my Instagram page, which I'll leave a link down below, and I share the calories, the fat, the fibre, the protein and the carbs all from that meal so that you can then see what it's like. I'm just going to do it as a test today, but if you all want to see the calories then let me know down below, and next time I film a What I Eat in a Day video I'll make sure I share all the calories with you. I just thought I'd do it as a little test today to see if you lot enjoy this more or you enjoy it less. But yeah, also ignore my face. I'm going to be like this the whole entire day because I'm just indoors and I'm going to do a workout and I don't really want to put makeup on. But yeah, let's get into the What I Eat in a Day video and we're going to go and have breakfast. For breakfast today, I'm actually going to be using the Kodiak Cakes Power Cakes. These are basically a protein like pancake mix. You can use these in like a waffle maker, and I actually have done that recently. But I'm going to make these into pancakes today, and I'm going to have them with strawberries. We're going to have them as chocolate chip pancakes. I actually have the buttermilk and the chocolate chip version, but sometimes it's nice just to control how many chocolate chips you're having. And then we're going to have a tiny bit of maple syrup, I think, or creme fraiche. I'm not too sure which one just yet, but I'm going to have either maple syrup and strawberries or creme fraiche and strawberries. But I'm going to make those up now for you. It's so easy. All you need is half a cup of this and then half a cup of water, and you have enough pancakes for one person. later since I had my breakfast, which was really, really good. The Kodiak cakes, I didn't actually say. I picked them up from the Protein Pick and Mix recently, so I'll leave that linked down below for you all. And now I'm going to go do a workout in a minute, so I'm going to take a pre-workout because I've been doing this recently. Do I feel like it does any difference to me not having it? Most probably not. But I think it's like kind of like that mental thing more than anything. But also I am shattered right now, and I know that I need some form of energy to get me going, or I'm not going to do my workout. So I said to you before on a previous What I Eat in a Day video that I will try out the other flavours of the Alani Nu energy drinks. Basically, I had one of their flavours, which was rainbow candy, and it just tasted like medicine. Wasn't nice. So I'm going to try out this one, and this is the Carnival Grape Candy one. They're 10 calories a drink, which for a like sugar-free energy drink, it's not too bad. But I also tried some the other day that was 0 calories. So yeah, it just depends on the brand. But I'm going to try this out, and what I'll do is after my workout I will let you know if it tastes nice or not. But it is literally just the Alani Nu Carnival energy drink, Carnival Grape. So we'll see if it's any good. Hopefully it is, because I spent quite a bit of money on these and I don't want them all to taste like medicine. But yeah, it's just, they've changed their packaging from these as well, so you won't see this packaging anymore. But yeah, it's just the Carnival Candy Grape. So I'm hoping it kind of tastes like Grape KA, if anyone knows that drink. I'm hoping it tastes like that. But I'm going to take this, and then I'm going to share with you my workout.
She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again.
I've done my workout now, and what I basically do is I do 10 minutes cross trainer, 10 minutes bike. And as you saw when I did the bike, I basically use weights when I'm doing the bike to kind of get in like an arm workout as well. And then I use one of the resistance bands and do a arm and back workout, which isn't too strenuous, but it's because I have a really bad back. I'm trying to strengthen that, like the muscles in my back, so that really helps, and it doesn't like make me ache, or it doesn't hurt too much, but it's just doing a little bit of work as like every day goes along. But now it is lunchtime, and I'm gonna make myself some soup, I think, because I'm trying to keep it low in calories today, because I know that what I'm having for dinner is gonna be quite high basically. So I'm gonna have some soup, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna have. So I'm gonna have a tin of Heinz tomato soup because we have loads of these. And then I think I'm going to have a couple of these garlic crackers by Tesco's. These are really, really nice. And because I don't really want any bread, I thought these would go quite nicely just to have a couple on the side to dip into the tomato soup, and also get something a little bit more filling in me as well. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to heat this up now, and that's going to be my lunch basically. Quick, easy and simple. Now it's dinner time, and dinner tonight is like a right easy dinner. It's not like my usual where I normally cook something from scratch or show you a new recipe. I don't feel very well. I feel quite ill today, so we're having a frozen dinner basically. Everything has come out of the freezer apart from 2 things, and we're just having a really simple, small, easy dinner. For some people this isn't really a whole dinner, and for me it's not normally really a whole dinner, but because I don't feel very well, I just want something really easy and simple. So I'm going to show you what we're having tonight. For dinner tonight we are having these lemon and pepper sole goujons, and we're going to turn those into some fish tacos. So we have these mini tortilla wraps. So I don't know how many grams I'm going to have of these, but this is from Costco if anyone's wondering. And they're like really cheap, but they're really lovely. And then we're going to have a couple of these hash brown fries from Iceland, which if you haven't got these yet, get them, they're amazing. And we might like put these in the wraps with the fish and kind of turn it into just a couple of fish tacos. And then I might have some of this Mexicana spicy cheese to go in my wrap as well. And that is basically our dinner. Really simple and plain, nothing too exciting, no sides to this, literally just having everything in the wrap in a sense. But I'm gonna put this all in the oven and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's constructed. Later now, I had my dinner and it was really nice. Just having them, the tacos was great. And now I'm gonna have a dessert which me and David have been having recently, which is a meringue nest with strawberries and creme fraiche. So I'm gonna show you all the ingredients to it and then I'm gonna put it together. So I have the meringue nests by Tesco's. These are like 55 calories per nest, and then I'm gonna have some strawberries, and then we have this 50% less fat creme fraiche. It's basically really similar to like double cream whipped, but it is a lot better for you. So I'm gonna assemble this and kind of make like a little mini pavlova in a sense. It is obviously later. I had my dessert, which was great. If you've never had creme fraiche, highly recommend it as like a double cream, whipped cream type alternative for desserts. It's really nice. It's now about 8 o'clock and me and my boyfriend are gonna go for a walk because it's not raining anymore. It's still light outside, so we're gonna go for a walk near where he lives because he lives near some fields and stuff. We're gonna go for a nice long, like 40-minute long walk and then come back. So I am gonna end the video here because I'm not gonna eat anything when I get back. I'm literally just gonna take some water with me, go for this walk, get a bit more exercise in, get more steps in for the day and do some exercise basically. It's nice. We've been doing this every single day when he comes back from work, going for a walk, and it's just nice to get in some extra exercise during the day. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day video. A little bit different because obviously I had a frozen dinner, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless and kind of gave you ideas of like what you can do if you just have like stuff in the freezer all the time, because I don't eat homemade meals every single day. Some days I do eat frozen food and stuff. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe. I do lots of What I Eat in a Day videos. Also do let me know, do you prefer having the calories on screen? Do you not prefer having the calories on screen? It helps. Let me know. Obviously this was a test without the calories on screen, so do let me know if you preferred it without or you prefer it with, or you prefer it with but without my total for the day, because I don't mind just sharing the calories for each meal without showing my total for the day. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.